Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide friends list on Facebook only mutual friends. First step, you just have to open your Facebook application and I'm going to show you an example. So I have a friend here and if I view his profile, I know he has hundreds of friends, but if I tap friends here and click all, I can't see his friends, only our mutual friends. So if you want something like this, if someone view your profile or your friends list, they can only see your mutual, then what you're going to do is you have to go back to your profile and then this time you have to locate your settings and privacy. Okay, so locate settings. Let me go to my profile. Okay, tap this gear icon right here. So under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and you have to look for how people find and contact you under audience and visibility. Tap this one and then you have to locate who can see your friends list. And what you're going to do is you have to set this to only me. And as you can see here, your number of friends is public. If you set this to only me, others may still see your friends with someone when viewing their friends list. Mutual friends are always visible. And that's it. They can see all your friends list, but they can only see your mutual friends. So basically, that's how easy it is to hide friends list on Facebook, only mutual friends. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.